Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have h plus h divided by h is equals to square root of h, and we solve this problem for all the values of h. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solved this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. And in the first method, you see here, these are the three same or these are the three like terms added by each other. So we write it as h plus h becomes 3 times of h, and here we move this h from left hand side to the right hand side. You see here this h is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by square root of h, and we write in this form. So further in the next step, here our target is to find the values of h. For this we need to remove the square root sign, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as 3h whole square is equals to h times of square root of h and its whole square. And here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as 3 square becomes 9 and h square becomes h square. In the same pattern, we again apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we write it as h time. This will be written as h square, and when we apply square on this square on square root term, so these two are gone and we get here h only. So here we need a little bit simplifications here, and it will be written as 9h square equals to h square multiplied by h becomes h cubed. And now here further in the next step, we move the values 9h square from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as h cubed minus 9h square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve h square, so that we will be take common h square from here, and we get the remaining values are from here we get h only minus from here we get 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write h square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write h minus 9 is equals to 0. From here we get two repeated roots, these are 0 and 0, and from here we get the value of h is equals to 9. So here we obtain these are the three roots of the given equation, in which these two roots are repeated root and this 9 be the distinct root. So here we have there are two distinct roots of the given equation, and these are 0 and 9. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h plus h divided by h is equals to square root of h, and in this side we will be substitute h is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify h is equals to 9. So here we verify both of these two roots, and now we substitute this value of h is equals to 0 on both of the sides, and it will be written as 0 plus 0 plus 0 divided by 0 is equals to square root of 0, and here we obtain 0 divided by 0 is equals to square root of 0 becomes 0. You see here in the left hand side we will get 0 over 0 form, or usually we will be called that it is indeterminate form, or it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value h is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that h is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now here in the same pattern we verify second value of h, so we substitute this on both of the sides, and it will becomes 9 plus 9 plus 9 divided by 9 is equals to this is square root of 9. And here you see that here this 9 is added by 3 times. We write it as 3 multiplied by 9 divided by 9 is equals to, here we know about that the square root of 9 becomes 3. This 9 and this 9 are gone, and we get here 3 is equals to 3. This shows that the value of h is equals to 9 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally, we have the solution set of this problem is h is equals to 9. So here we obtain this is the only one solution of the given equation, which we get here in the first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. And now for second method, first we need to copy down the given question statement here. And our given question statement is h plus h plus h divided by h is equals to square root of h. So in the second method, we use a different technique to solve this problem. So here first we repeat the first step, and here we add h 3 times. We write it as 3 times of h divided by h is equals to square root of h. And now you see here this h and this h are gone, and we obtain 3 is equals to square root of h. And now here our target is to find the value of h. So for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as in this form. And you know about that 3 square becomes 9, and these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here h. So in the second method we get only one root of the given equation, that is h is equals to 9. But in the first method we already verified that this value of h is satisfied our given question statement. So this concludes about that the solution set of this problem is h equals to 9. This is the only one solution of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.